Are you quietly wondering if your best days as a man are behind you, watching younger generations with energy and vitality you remember having just a decade ago? What if I told you that a simple oil sitting in your grandmother's medicine cabinet could be the key to reclaiming your masculine edge after 60? Listen, I know you've probably tried everything. The supplements that promise the world but deliver nothing. The expensive treatments that drain your wallet without giving you results. You're tired of feeling like a shadow of your former self, dealing with low energy, declining performance, and that nagging feeling that your body is giving up on you. You deserve better than accepting defeat just because you've crossed the 60-year mark. If you're serious about reclaiming your vitality, why haven't you subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button now and comment where you're watching from. I read every comment. I'm Dr. Vicky, and for over 3 decades, I've dedicated my career as a urologist to helping men like you reclaim their vitality and confidence. I've seen thousands of patients walk through my doors feeling defeated, only to leave with renewed hope and tangible results. Today, I'm going to share something that might surprise you. Castor oil isn't just some folk remedy your great-grandmother swore by. This golden liquid contains ricinoleic acid, a unique compound that makes up 85 to 90% of castor oil's composition. This isn't found in any other natural oil, and it's precisely what gives castor oil its remarkable healing properties that directly impact male health after 60. Your body changes dramatically after 60. Your testosterone production naturally declines by about 1 to 2% each year after age 30, meaning by 60, you're working with significantly lower levels than you had in your prime. Your circulation isn't what it used to be. Your lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins from your body, becomes sluggish. Your prostate begins to enlarge, affecting everything from your sleep to your confidence in the bedroom. But here's where castor oil becomes your secret weapon. Let me walk you through the 5 hidden benefits that can transform your health and restore your sense of manhood. Your circulation is the highway system of your body. When traffic slows down, everything suffers. After 60, your blood vessels naturally become less flexible and blood flow to crucial areas decreases. This affects your energy levels, your mental clarity, and yes, your performance in intimate moments. Castor oil contains compounds that act as natural vasodilators. When you apply it topically to your lower abdomen and massage it in circular motions, you're essentially giving your circulatory system a tune-up. The ricinoleic acid penetrates deep into your tissues, encouraging blood vessels to relax and expand. This increased circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your reproductive organs, your prostate, and throughout your pelvic region. Think of it like unclogging a garden hose. Once the flow is restored, everything downstream benefits. You'll notice increased energy, better mental focus, and improved function in areas you thought were permanently diminished. The key is consistency. Apply a small amount of high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil to your lower abdomen every evening before bed. Massage it in gentle, circular motions for about 5 minutes. You're not just applying oil. You're actively improving your body's ability to deliver what it needs where it needs it most. Your lymphatic system is your body's garbage disposal, but it doesn't have a pump like your heart does for blood circulation. It relies on movement and external stimulation to function properly. After 60, this system becomes increasingly sluggish, allowing toxins to accumulate in your tissues. These toxins interfere with hormone production, reduce energy levels, and create inflammation throughout your body. Castor oil is perhaps the most powerful lymphatic stimulant available in nature. When you apply it over your lymph nodes, particularly in your groin area, and cover it with a warm cloth, you create what's called a castor oil pack. This ancient technique has been used for centuries to activate lymphatic drainage. The process is simple but profound. The heat from the cloth helps the castor oil penetrate deeper into your tissues, while the ricinoleic acid stimulates lymphatic flow. As your lymphatic system becomes more active, it begins efficiently removing metabolic waste, excess hormones, and inflammatory compounds that have been weighing you down. You'll start noticing changes within the first week. Your energy levels will stabilize. You'll sleep more soundly. That foggy feeling that seems to cloud your thinking will begin to lift. Your body will feel lighter, more responsive, more like the machine you remember it being. To create an effective castor oil pack, soak a piece of flannel cloth in castor oil. Place it over your lower abdomen, cover with plastic wrap, then apply a heating pad or hot water bottle for 30 to 45 minutes. Do this 3 times a week, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Let's talk about your prostate. By age 60, over half of all men experience some degree of prostate enlargement. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a condition that affects your sleep, your confidence, and your overall quality of life. You're tired of waking up multiple times each night, tired of the urgency that seems to control your schedule, tired of avoiding activities because you're worried about bathroom access. Castor oil addresses prostate health through multiple mechanisms. The anti-inflammatory properties of ricinoleic acid help reduce the swelling and inflammation that contribute to prostate enlargement. When you apply castor oil to your perineum, the area between your scrotum and anus, you're delivering these anti-inflammatory compounds directly to your prostate gland. But there's more. Castor oil also helps balance your hormones, particularly the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. DHT is the primary culprit behind prostate enlargement and male pattern baldness. By supporting healthy hormone metabolism, castor oil helps maintain optimal prostate size and function. The application technique is crucial for maximum benefit. After your evening shower, apply a small amount of castor oil to your perineum and gently massage it in. The skin in this area is highly permeable, allowing the beneficial compounds to reach your prostate quickly. You can also apply it to your lower back, right over your kidneys, as this area has reflex points that correspond to prostate health. Many of my patients report significant improvements in their nighttime bathroom trips within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. Your stream becomes stronger, your bladder empties more completely, and you finally get the restful sleep your body needs to function optimally. Your hormones are the chemical messengers that control virtually every aspect of your masculine health. After 60, your body's ability to produce and utilize testosterone efficiently becomes compromised. This isn't just about sexual function. Testosterone affects your muscle mass, bone density, mood, cognitive function, and overall vitality. Castor oil supports hormonal balance through its unique ability to enhance liver function. Your liver is responsible for metabolizing and clearing used hormones from your system. When your liver becomes sluggish, old hormones accumulate, creating a hormonal traffic jam that prevents your body from utilizing fresh testosterone effectively. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil acts as a gentle liver stimulant, helping your liver process hormones more efficiently. This creates space for your body to utilize newly produced testosterone while clearing out the metabolic waste that's been interfering with your hormonal balance. Apply castor oil over your liver area on the right side of your abdomen, just below your rib cage. Create a castor oil pack in this area twice weekly. As your liver function improves, you'll notice increased energy, better mood stability, improved muscle tone, and enhanced mental clarity. Your adrenal glands, which produce several hormones, including testosterone precursors, also benefit from castor oil application. Place the oil over your kidney area on your back, as your adrenals sit right on top of your kidneys. This supports your body's natural hormone production cascade. Let's address what's probably on your mind, but perhaps difficult to discuss openly. Your sexual health and performance are integral parts of your overall well-being and sense of masculine identity. The changes you've experienced in this area aren't just physical. They affect your confidence, your relationships, and your self-image. Castor oil addresses sexual health through multiple pathways. First, the improved circulation we discussed earlier directly benefits erectile function. Better blood flow means better performance, period. The lymphatic drainage helps remove metabolic waste that interferes with sexual response. The hormonal balance support ensures your body has the chemical messengers it needs for desire and performance. But there's something else. Castor oil helps reduce inflammation throughout your pelvic region. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden culprits behind declining sexual function after 60. It interferes with nerve signals, reduces blood flow, and creates an environment where optimal function becomes impossible. Regular application of castor oil to your lower abdomen, inner thighs, and perineum creates an environment where your body can function as it was designed to. You're not trying to force artificial enhancement. You're removing the obstacles that have been preventing your natural abilities from expressing themselves. The psychological benefits are equally important. When you start feeling more energy, sleeping better, and noticing improvements in your physical function, your confidence naturally returns. This creates a positive feedback loop, where improved confidence leads to better performance, which leads to even greater confidence. Now, let me give you a practical roadmap for implementing these benefits in your daily routine. Consistency is absolutely crucial. You can't expect decades of decline to reverse overnight, but you can expect to start noticing improvements within the first 2 weeks if you commit to the process. Start with high-quality, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. The quality of your oil directly impacts your results. Cheap, processed oils won't give you the therapeutic benefits you're looking for. Invest in organic, cold-pressed castor oil from a reputable source. Begin with a simple routine. Every evening, after your shower, apply castor oil to your lower abdomen and massage it in circular motions for 5 minutes. This addresses circulation, lymphatic drainage, and begins the process of hormonal support. Week 2, add the liver pack twice weekly. Soak a flannel cloth in castor oil. Place it over your liver area, cover with plastic wrap, and apply heat for 30 minutes. This accelerates the hormonal balancing process. Week 3, incorporate the prostate-specific application. Add the perineum massage to your evening routine. This targets prostate health directly and enhances sexual function. By week 4, you should be implementing the full protocol. The key is to build gradually, allowing your body to adapt and respond to each new element. Your body will respond in stages. During the first week, you'll primarily notice improved sleep quality. Your lymphatic system begins activating, and you'll feel more rested in the mornings. Week 2 typically brings increased energy levels. As your circulation improves and toxins clear, you'll notice sustained energy throughout the day without the afternoon crashes you've become accustomed to. Week 3 often brings improvements in prostate symptoms. You'll wake up fewer times during the night, and your daytime urgency will decrease. By week 4, hormonal improvements become apparent. Your mood stabilizes, your mental clarity improves, and you'll start feeling more like yourself again. Sexual improvements often begin around week 6 as all the other systems come into balance. Remember, sexual health is the culmination of overall health. As your circulation, hormones, and inflammation levels improve, your sexual function naturally follows. While castor oil is generally safe for external use, there are some important considerations for men over 60. If you're taking blood-thinning medications, consult with your healthcare provider before beginning regular castor oil use, as it can enhance circulation and may interact with these medications. If you have a history of prostate cancer or are currently being treated for any prostate condition, discuss this protocol with your urologist. While castor oil is generally beneficial for prostate health, your specific medical situation may require modifications to the approach. Start with small amounts and build gradually. Some men experience skin sensitivity when first using castor oil. If you notice any irritation, reduce the amount or frequency of application. Never use castor oil internally without professional guidance. The benefits we're discussing are all from external applications. Internal use of castor oil can cause digestive upset and isn't necessary for the benefits we're targeting. While castor oil is powerful on its own, you can amplify its benefits by supporting your overall health. Maintain adequate hydration, as your lymphatic system requires proper fluid levels to function optimally. Incorporate gentle movement into your daily routine, even if it's just a 20-minute walk, as movement stimulates lymphatic flow.